In front of me is OPPO Reno8 Z, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Start by opening Devices Settings and hitting Display and Brightness right away. Then scroll to hit Font. And now my favorite part, you can finally adjust your font size to your eyesight. Just operate this slider to adjust it. And check out Preview at the top to pick a perfect one for you. When you're done, to save your changes, hit Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!